to... You're really small.
Sorry. I'm always leaning back in the chair, and then I'm far away from the camera.
Okay, so let's talk about what's coming up. Of course, we have some old topics that will be revived this year. There's going to be a few more iOS sessions. That's at least what I heard.
Yeah.
Sounds like it's going to be a lot of Swift UI.
Sounds promising.
Of course. Let's see. You are probably not going to quit your job, so that's why we will have a lot more Quarkus fun this year.
Yeah, Quarkus, but also I heard we're gonna see a bit about Vapor.
Yes. And so I went to a conference in December, and it was actually pretty nice. And I'm always learning something when I'm the moderator for Andreas, and he's talking about Quarkus. So I will hopefully have some time, or we have some time to compare Vapor and Quarkus. I know Quarkus is a lot more advanced than Vapor, but yeah. So I think we can have some sessions with Vapor, so that's that's in Swift, and compare it to Quarkus, which is in Kotlin. So I think that's gonna be pretty nice.
Sounds interesting. I'm happy to learn more about Swift also.
Sounds good. And then we will have, of course, the Office Racer is going on. I'm pretty hopeful, at least, that we will finish it this year.
At least this year, not this century or so.
No, definitely this year. I don't think there's... I still have a few problems with the camera, and I'm pretty sure we have to upgrade the engine, so it's a little bit faster. But yes, this is definitely going to be one topic, and I think Christian will also think of some cool new stuff in the IoT department.
Yeah, hopefully some hardware stuff again. It's just a nice thing.
Yeah, he already talked about or told us about 3D printing. He might be interested in showing some more. You can, of course, let us know down in the comments or in the chat what you think about it. And what else do we have? Oh, we have a new someone new who's coming on the channel.
Yeah, we got Max.
Max, yeah. Max is going to talk about TypeScript, and he thought it might be a good idea to have some, let's say, rookie experience with it. So for the newcomers and the ones who want to learn it, he wants to have some streams introducing TypeScript and where to use it and what to do with it and stuff. Sounds pretty promising.
Yeah.
I'm actually looking forward to it. I'm not sure who's going to be the moderator or the coder. I don't know what his plans are, but I'm game, as always.
Yeah, probably just have to find out still.
Yeah. But this is definitely happening this year. Did I miss anything?
No, I don't think you missed anything, and probably we find some other topics, and if you have some interesting topics, also if you want to know about a certain Quarkus topic, always just let us know and we have a think about it.
Yes.
Okay. Did we miss? No. I think that's it.
I think that's it, indeed.
So we can close the stream.
Bye.
Just kidding.